To disable Find My iPhone and address the stolen device protection message, first unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. From here, tap Find My. Then tap on Find My iPhone. You'll see a toggle next to Find My iPhone that is enabled by default. Before you can turn off Find My iPhone, you may need to resolve the stolen device protection. To do this, go back to the main settings screen, tap Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode when prompted. Once you're inside the Face ID and passcode settings, scroll down to find the Stolen Device Protection section and disable it. You might need to verify your Apple ID and enter your password to proceed. After resolving this, return to the Find My section and toggle off Find My iPhone. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the action. Once you do that, tap Turn Off to disable Find My iPhone. If you encounter any issues or the device is still protected, you may need to contact Apple support to verify your ownership and get further assistance. Once Find My iPhone is successfully turned off, your device will no longer be tracked via Apple's service. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the same settings and turn Find My iPhone back on. If you found this guide useful, consider sharing it with others who may need it.